Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. All you need is a rubber mat like this. It was like $3 at Walmart. And your soap or your solution that you like to use to clean your makeup brushes. All you do is wet your mat, pour the soap all over your mat, then you wet your brush and then swirl on the mat. Now they have, I think it's the Makeup Forever makeup mat, and they have retails for about $20. This was only $3 and it works just the same. And I get my makeup brushes clean so quickly. When I'm done with one brush, I just sit it to the side, and all you have to do is rinse the mat off with your water, pour the soap all over, and then start over with your next brush. It's literally that easy. And when you're done cleaning your brushes, all you have to do is rinse. Make sure you get all the dirt out. Let it run under the water for a few seconds. And then I squeeze out the excess water. And then I'll sit it on a towel and just let it air dry.